welcome back to another exciting video from Natcom Store. We're thrilled to have you here today as we uncover some awesome DIY skills that will save you time and money. So let's jump right in. Get ready to put on your handyman or handywoman hat, because today's video is all about 5 simple home repairs you can do yourself. Yep, you heard it right. We're here to empower you with the knowledge and skills to tackle those annoying repairs without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Repair 1. Fixing a leaky faucet. First up, we have the dreaded leaky faucet. It's not just an annoyance, but it can also waste a ton of water. But fear not. Fixing a leaky faucet is easier than you might think. Here's what you need to do. Turn off the water supply to the faucet. Remove the handle and the nut that holds the stem in place. Replace the rubber washer and reassemble the faucet. Repair 2. Repairing drywall. The dents and holes in your drywall. They seem to magically appear, especially if you have kids or pets. But don't worry, you can fix them yourself. Check out these simple steps. Clean the area around the hole or dent. Cut a piece of drywall slightly larger than the hole or dent. Attach the drywall patch with drywall screws. Apply joint compound to the seams and let it dry. Sand the area smooth and apply a second coat of joint compound if necessary. Paint the area to match the surrounding wall. Repair 3. Replacing a light fixture. Ready to brighten up your space with a new light fixture? You don't need an electrician for this one. Here's how you can do it yourself. Turn off the power to the light fixture. Remove the old fixture and disconnect the wiring. Connect the wiring to the new fixture and attach it to the ceiling. Turn the power back on and test the light. Repair 4. Fixing a running toilet. A running toilet can be quite the water waster, not to mention the annoyance. But guess what? You can fix it yourself and save both water and your sanity. Here's what you need to do. Remove the tank lid and flush the toilet. Adjust the float to the correct water level. If the flapper is worn or damaged, replace it. Test the toilet to make sure it's no longer running. Repair 5. Unclogging a drain. Last but not least, we have the ever-dreaded clogged drain. No need to panic or call a plumber just yet. You can handle this one like a pro. Here's how. Remove any visible debris from the drain. Pour boiling water down the drain. Use a plunger to try to unclog the drain. If the plunger doesn't work, use a drain snake to remove the clog. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple home repairs that you can confidently tackle all on your own. Say goodbye to costly professional fees and hello to the satisfaction of fixing things yourself. But before we wrap up, don't forget to check out Natcom Store for a wide range of great and trending products. We've got everything you need to support your DIY endeavors. Thanks for watching and empowering yourself with these handy skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Until next time,